currently 9:26 a.m. And this is about the time where I just put my phone on D&D and get completely focused into where I'm about to take my entry. So the direction that I have in mind is down. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need to have your analysis done. My analysis was already completed on tradingview.com. Where we are now is in a 4-hour and 1-hour bearish OB. We have been anticipating this move up for quite some time. So this is where we are, which is why my bias is down. Now, it's all about looking for your entry. You have to be realistic. Is price going to push up far enough? Like, I have this 1-hour area of interest, but it's like, is price going to push that far up when the 9:30 candle drops, or is this a safer area to get in, right? This is a 5-minute, area for me. I'm just waiting to see if we could get pushed up just a little bit. Sweep these highs. That's what I like to see. Sweep these highs, and then I can execute. So I'm going to trade on my prop firm today. And I'm also going to place the same exact trade in my Henko X trade. This is a live account right over here live. So here's my live account with Henko trade. I'm going to place 2 trades. So I'm going to set this up for a sell, and I'm going to get in at a 1 lot here. And I did not mark up my Henko trade platform as of yet. I didn't. But, I just clicked that button because everything is already set up on this side. So it's 9:29. Price is pushing down at 9:29. And I'm like, okay, what are you trying to do here? I'm kind of concerned because normally I want price to start pushing back up. So I'm a little bit concerned. Marking out my areas. 9:30 has to push up for me to want to take this down, at least into one of my areas of interest. Once it does that, I'm just going to simply get in, take it down for a ride. I do have some students. I like to be out of the market before I connect with my students. So I'm good with with 1,000, 2,000, whatever I could get today, I'll be okay with. So 9:30 is here. We're expecting it to push up. Yep. Let's get to that area. Okay, I'm just gonna watch that on a 1-minute time frame. Okay, we're pushing up. We're pushing up, guys. Pushing up. Remember, I have that higher area. These are internal. Gonna go ahead and remove those. Let's go to the higher time frame. Take a look. Looks like some alerts went off. Okay, so I want to get up here. I'm gonna take this trade. I want to get up here. I want to just make sure that it hasn't reached anything. Okay, so so it did a sweep, It's only 1 minute after. It's only 1 minute after. And I'm just gonna be patient and wait out for my area to be tapped if that's what it wants to do. I'm not really too sold on selling from internal, even though we did take out some highs. I would like to see this area being tapped into before I go ahead and take a trade. So I'm gonna let it develop, and then I'll be back, guys. Not really sold on any entries yet. So I would like to see if this area could be touched still, us taking out this high, potentially tapping into this area and continuing down. I'd probably take it to this level here. So nothing as of yet, just watching it, being patient. As you can see, This was a sweep, right? We had a sweep here before price started to go down. This was at 9:30 a.m. I would like to see us take this high out. This is the early sellers, excuse me, and I would like to see them being taken out and us continuing up to tap into this area. Now there was multiple opportunities or entries, right? We had this sweep here. This little supply zone was a sweep. There we got it. And that could have been for, let's see, and this is if you're scalping. If you got in right around here, maybe around like 90 points. And then if you got in somewhere around here, looks like we swept some lows. Looks like we swept these lows over to the left. If you were satisfied with that sweep, then you could have gotten in to take it up. However, guys, not really too sold on any entries, and I'm not going to force it either. So I'm just going to be patient and see if we could possibly tap that area with this 1 hour candle. And hopefully I can get an opportunity today. We'll see. If not, I'm okay. I'm okay with waiting until whenever my opportunity is ready. I do just want to be very vigilant. And if I don't feel comfortable, then I will not take a trade today. So guys, I'm going to pause this again and then we'll see what I get. Before I pause, I'm really excited because I'm going to be rolling out my vlogging, just kind of taking you guys behind the scenes on like how I start my trading day normally, and what I'm looking for when I'm placing a trade and what my mental status is. I'm still going to be very much so on the charts, making sure you guys are like, okay, but because I really do enjoy sharing the charts with you guys, and but I do think that a lot of you want to see like the behind the scenes side of like, just being a full-time trader, doing this full-time for a living. I love it. It's absolutely wonderful. I hate times like this when I'm really like confident and anticipating a move. But as I stated, I'm not just gonna jump in and just chase the market around. Like certain confirmations have to be met for me. So if price decides that it gives us a closed candle beneath these lows and we get like a retest and it's not at my area, and then we break structure after that, then I would be interested in a new opportunity. But for now, guys, this 1 hour candle is not yet completed. You can check that out on TradingView. Not yet completed. So I'm just going with the flow. So a lot of you did ask me like, hey, this looks like a Trade Locker account. This is a prop firm. I am trading my personal account with Henko Trade. This is a prop firm. As you know, I still trade with prop firms. But for my personal, I'm not trading with anything else other than Henko Trade. So just to clear that up. And I don't like to be active in trades until like my sessions are done, because I like to give undivided attention. Am I still doing one-on-one mentorship after August? I am not, because I do need this one-on-one time for myself to kind of lock in and reach my goals with trading and in my personal life as well. But I still do have Saturday sessions. Those will remain my Saturday sessions where I connect with everyone and we go over the charts together and we stay connected in a personal group. So that is an option that you guys will have as well. I'm just watching these charts, guys. Watching. Normally my trading day is not like this. I normally like have it to the T, and price cooperates with me and then I get my entry. Many of you like are following me on Instagram at Tokyo the Trader. No underscores, no extra R's. Be very careful of those who are making fake pages of me. Just Tokyo the Trader. The same as what it shows on YouTube. So yeah, guys, I still have that. I still have the US30 Bootcamp. I am gonna leave all the links there. My broker, which is Henko Trade, the US30 Bootcamp, and the live sessions. Those are like amazing ways that you guys can get connected with me at an affordable price, I would like to say. So yeah, that's what it is. Let me just set my alert right here. So if in fact I have to get off of this recording, I will update you guys if I did happen to get into a trade, whether I'm on a call or not. If my alarm goes off, then I'm in that trade. I do want to see this high being taken. Candle does. If we hit this area, guys, I am going to be happy, because then I could just get in that trade and take profit. And you may ask me, okay, Looks like price came down. Maybe that was a little bit of discount. What if it continues higher? Well, if price should continue higher into this 4-hour OB, it is a rather large OB. If it should continue higher, then guys, I have to wait. I have to wait. Am I going to buy in this bearish 4-hour OB? Absolutely not. But I am just gonna wait around just to see, you know, if price wants to reject from this area. If it continues higher, guys, there is some higher time frame areas that I am looking at, so wouldn't be strange to continue higher. This 1-hour candle has opened, and it's a little bit indecisive. I'm gonna check it out on a 1-minute time frame before I pause this again and pretty much keep you guys updated a little bit later. Looks like it is trying to, hopefully it is trying to go up to this area. At that point, I will be watching this on a 1-hour time frame, and then I will execute this trade. So it's the next morning. It is officially 9 a.m. And remember that area of interest that I was telling you guys about? We have not yet tapped it, and it's the next day, the next morning. Now, I didn't have to do too much this morning. I didn't have to get on an hour before or 2 hours. It's only like about a half hour before the time that I would like to execute a trade. And it's because I've had an area of interest since yesterday morning, and we have not tapped it as of yet. So this is what it's like waiting patiently for your trades. We're still in that 4-hour bearish OB. Price hasn't really broken structure to the upside. Kind of been sideways a little bit, but the lows are still higher in this area, so that is something to look out for. So we'll see. I will update you guys at 9:30. Okay, guys, so price has come to my area of interest, as you can see. And what I want to do now is go on the smaller time frame. Okay, alerts are going off. Alerts are going off, and I want to watch it here. Okay, guys, so sometimes Trade Locker has a little funky like sometimes I enter in for Trade Locker and it kind of like skips down, but I'm in some profit. I'm at $460 so far on this trade. $560 now, you know, gonna let this bad boy run. And I followed my trading plan, and I'm up 800 bucks on my Henko trade platform. I'm gonna let it run. Let's see where I'm gonna take this trade to. And this is where I go to like the higher time frame just to see where I am interested in taking this particular trade to. So I'm gonna narrow this down. Okay, we tapped into that area like beautifully. And maybe I'll ride this bad boy down to this low maybe because I have some things to do. So I'm not going to stay in the trades for long. But guys, thank you so much for tapping in.